Spurti Om, Spurti Om, Spurti Om. Salutations onto the lotus feet of my Guru on this Sri Vishwa Guru's Purnima day. I'll share 3 of my experiences in short, wherein I could realize his infinite knowledge, infinite power, and infinite bliss. When we are in good times, we find a lot of friends, everyone is around us. But when we are in bad times, those are the testing times when we realize who is our true friend. And that is the time our Guru takes over. Eka eva param bandhu vishame samupasthite nispruha karuna sindhu tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. 7 years back, we came to Dhyan Manoprasthan, and we were at the fag end of our life because we had lost our only child. And wherever we went, you call it any organization, be it Art of Living, be it Vipassana way of meditation, be it Chinmaya mission, be it Ramakrishna mission, be it horoscopes, and so many more Babas and Gurus and Guruvis. But everywhere we were told that in this life, there is no chance of having a child. Even the horoscope said so. Initially, when my mother-in-law came to Guruji, even Guruji said so, it's very difficult for them. But with his sheer blessings, he blessed us with a child in 2010 on Guru Purnima day. And today, he is going to be 4 years old. So this is a life-changing experience for us. And he planned it in such a way that my first son's birthday and my second son's birthday, they fall onto the same date. So, and that happens to be Guru Purnima. So that was the biggest ever life-changing experience for us. The second experience came when we got posted to Delhi. My son was just 1 year old, and suddenly I had slip disc problem. I was totally bedridden for 2 days, and wherever we went, we were told that there is a chance of neurological damage, and I need to be on bed rest for 1 month with a small child and all. So while lying on the bed, I was just trying to search on Just Dial services, and some person out of blue, he told us about an acupressure person who happened to be staying just half a kilometer from our house in Delhi. And the very first meeting, he could make me walk. And it could happen all because of Guruji's blessings. And subsequently, when we got the MRI done, the 2 discs, L4, L5 and L5, S1, were totally collapsed. But I don't know how could I walk, and with a single medication, within a month's period of acupressure, I was absolutely back to normal. So that was, again, one of the most powerful experience for me. And then, because of my back problem, being in Delhi, the weather, the climate extremities are there. We wanted to come back to Hyderabad. So my husband put up his papers for posting on compassionate grounds. But they were totally denied, saying that all over India, people come to Delhi for treatment, and why do you want to go to Hyderabad? And it's just not possible because you have just finished your tenure in Hyderabad. So there was no chance, and they told that you get your people in Hyderabad, in Delhi, and you take some domestic help and carry on with your day-to-day affairs. So we came for Dakshara in the meantime, and we met Guruji. And Guruji told, yes, the posting is stuck, but it will come by month end. So exactly by October 25th, the situation happened in such a way in Hyderabad, Air Force Station Hakimpet, that a place was created for my husband wherein his expertise suits. And on October 25th, the signal came that we are posted to Hakimpet. So that again was a tremendous experience because everyone has said no. And probably in the history of Air Force, this must have been a very unique case wherein a person got posted to the same vacancy second time. And that too when everyone had said no. How the vacancy was created, how the people were shuffled, and how he came here, that was again beyond our, probably Guruji can only tell us how it happened. Then the third experience, like the tenure in Hyderabad is for 2 years. So the tenure was getting over in December 2013. But we wanted to stay at least till May. And it so happened that May 3rd, my husband got posted to Kashmir. And now we have come from Kashmir for this Guru Purnima day to get the divine blessings of our Guruji. And it so happened that in Kashmir, there's a lot of accommodation problem. So we didn't have any place to stay. And my husband was told that it's better you get your family 6 months after. So we were trying here and there, Air Force, Army, everywhere. Then we came to know that there is something called military engineering services. They also have some kind of accommodation. So somebody told us, why don't you, just talk to them? So my husband went and spoke to the director. The director happened to be from AS Rao Nagar, very next to our place where we stay. And Mr. Ramesh, who is our photographer, he happened to click photographs for his daughter's engagement ceremony. So he had mentioned about Guruji to him. And while talking, my husband also started speaking about Guruji. And he could correlate. I have heard about Guruji from, then he could recall Mr. Ramesh. And then he was so impressed that he said, I can't give you any accommodation, but I'm staying alone in 3-bedroom house. And I'm going for my daughter's wedding. So for 4 weeks, the house is available. You can use my house. So for 4 weeks, we stayed there. And now he's gone back to Kashmir, staying in his house. And he'll be back again for 6 weeks for his daughter's wedding, which happens to be on August 15. So that is the time we will be going and staying in that house. And in the meantime, we'll get some place to stay. So that again happened by Guruji's grace. So it's not that the difficulties don't come or the problems don't come. But along with the problems, the solutions come when we are with Guruji. And the solutions which for a normal human being to realize and think are beyond our own senses and beyond our own mind. So that kind of solutions which are impossible, that come from our Guruji. And I just pray to him that he should give us all positive thoughts, all good thoughts from all around, and give us the correct frame of mind so that whatever comes in our life, we should be able to take it positively and move along with Dhyan Manoprasthan with meditation. Spurti Om.